Hi guys, just doing this very quick video. I contacted Samsung support over the weekend to have a look at the FreeSat that I wanted to try, just to see how it worked and see what it was like. So I took the from having taken the connectors from the satellite dish that I've got from the Sky Q, I put them on the TV, which is this one here, which is the one I reviewed the other day. And it's not working for some strange reason. It just will not receive the signal, even though the signal obviously is there. FreeSat uses the same satellite that Sky uses. So I had Samsung look at it, and what you're about to see is just a bit of a part way through a very long technical support chat that I had with them, and then eventually they took control of my TV and tried to get it to work. So this video is kind of part that chat, part the point where they're actually taking control of the TV to try and get it to work themselves. And sadly they didn't, and I'm still waiting for them to get back in touch. But I thought it would be interesting for you guys to see what happens when Samsung take control of your TV remotely. And some parts of it are quite painful when they're, as you see at the very beginning, when they're entering my postcode and text. It seems that it takes them forever to do that. I don't know why that is the case. But anyway, it's an interesting thing. It didn't fix the issue. I'm still waiting for that to be fixed. But I thought you would find it interesting to see how the online chat and Samsung taking control of my TV works. Okay. Have a great day.